Hey, Savannah and Larissa. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier, Larissa. This is Devin Norton again. And in this quick video, I'm going to give you all three simple tips you can easily follow so you can start beating Langley roofs. If you type in roofing Chattanooga, these guys show up at the top. I'm going to show you how easy it would be to copy them and then beat them. I know you're probably asking why I would even make this video for you. I just found out there's lots of roofing contractors that are so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I just started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Most people just take this information and do it themselves, which is awesome. But some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I just don't have the time to do this. Can you do this for me? And that's cool too. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I'm just here to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about three quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, great job on the website. I can see you guys flexing with this little peak up here. A lot of roofers can't do these very well, so great job on that. I guess it's called a cathedral. And then the whole website itself, though, is extremely clean. High quality images, really nice formatting the whole way through. It's very custom. It's a great looking website. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is content, all the stuff that you can read. And the average website on the front page of Google has about 1,500 words of content, so it's kind of where you want to start. Now, if I look up your content, you're at 682, so that is a great start. You're on the way there. By getting yourself to 1,500 words, not only are you going to look like an authority in Google's eyes, but it's going to give you more room to fit in what's called buyer intent keywords. A buyer intent keyword is just a phrase somebody commonly types into Google when they're ready to purchase from your business. So I actually pulled up a couple for you right here that you can use. So, for example, Chattanooga Roofing Company. If I search your homepage, you can see you don't have this anywhere on your page. And I can see that you are trying to rank for it. Like you put, Cleveland, Tennessee, Chattanooga, Tennessee. You're putting things in there. But you want to make sure you put the exact keywords that people are actually searching into Google. Because this is searched 250 times every single month. If we go to Roofing Chattanooga, that's searched 200 times every month. You don't have that one on your page. Roofers Chattanooga, 150 every month. You don't have that on your page. So if you were number one for those three keywords, you would be number one in front of 600 people every month who wanted to purchase roofing in Chattanooga. Imagine how much money you'd make being in front of that many people every single month. So just make sure you put those keywords inside of your content. One more quick thing too is you can also save your images as keywords. So instead of Alltimate color logo, you can save this as Roofers Chattanooga, and that'll help you rank for that keyword. All right, that's my first tip for you regarding content. My next tip for you is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy and relevant websites vouching for your website. Like I said, though, they want to see trustworthy and relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other like roofing, home improvement, construction companies linking to you versus having like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You do not need to pay for this tool. Just Google backlink checker. You can see this information for free. And it says you have 63 websites linking to you, while Langley Roofs has only 47 websites linking to them. This is what I mean when I say not all backlinks are created equal. But the good news is they've done all the hard work for you, because if these 47 websites are going to be good enough to rank them, then they're going to be good enough to rank you too. So I would go one by one to each of these websites the same way they did and put a link on each website back to my own. And a lot of times it's very simple, like Home Advisor, Expertise, Yellow Pages, Super Pages. On these websites, you click Join a Pro Network, Get Listed, Sign Up, Join. You create a free profile, and then you put a link in your profile back to your website. And that's simple. You've got a backlink from these massive websites. So it's really simple to do. It just takes some time. But once you copy them in backlinks and you beat them in content, those two tips alone are enough to get you ranked number one organically. If you want to be number one in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, your address, and your phone number inside of a directory, which is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, like Angie, BBB, GAF, Yellow Pages, Thumbtack. So if I were in your shoes, I'd figure out what directories Chattanooga Roofing Company was in. I'd put myself in the same directories, and then I'd add a bunch on top. So if Chattanooga Roofing Company was in like 150 directories, I put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Savannah and Larissa. I hope you all found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep this as short and to the point as possible. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content. Feel free to pause this video. I'll scroll down and give you some more. Pause this video because this is what your customers are actually typing into Google. Then take the websites that are linking to Langley Roofing and get them linking back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Chattanooga Roofing Company. If you follow these three tips, this is how you become number one across the entire front page of Google. Now, I know you're probably asking, what do I do now? You have two options. The first one is to take this information and do it yourself. This is a great route to go. It's what most of your competitors are doing. If you decide to go this route, the less time you wait to get started, the less catching up you're going to have to do. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done, give me a call at 972-736-8808. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. It was great. It was great speaking to you on the phone earlier, Larissa. I hope this video was helpful for you, Savannah, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you later.